What's up, guys? My name is Orange123. I'm gonna be playing Eternal Towers of Hell. I played this game before, but only the Tower of Genesis I played. Now I'm gonna be playing Towers of Buttons, or so I call it to you, 2OB. The music may be copyrighted, so ta 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 the music will be gone. I'll put it at 0 volume. Ooh, yeah. Slowly and steadily. Slowly, yeah, I can say. Be careful. Alright, I am. Come on. Ooh, goddamn. Kicked out of this leaderboard. I don't want a leaderboard. It makes me press it all of the time, making me stop for a bit. Come on. Pow. Pow. Oh. To press? Yeah, it is press. Even though I'm not pass, I will still beat the game. Pass doesn't mean the whole thing of Eternal Towers of Hell. Yeah, I know there's a leaderboard in Ito. Yeah, I know there's a leaderboard in Ito. But you don't wanna be fast. You have to be slow and steady. Oh, pink area. What's this thing? Oh, 5 seconds. Come on. Yes. Oh, yeah. Oh, let's go. Let's go. Oh, I'm a bit laggy. Oh, jeez. Oh, huh? What's a button here? 10 seconds. Oh, okay. Oh no, not this thing again. Oh, this again. Let's go. Oh, it's the swing things again. The swing things literally ruined my whole thing. Yes, I have to do that. Oh, dodge. What the hell? Another whole hobby. I just unlocked a whole different hobby. If I beat Tower of Buttons, then I'm gonna beat that other hobby. No, I'm back at the green area again. But don't give up. If you give up, they have not they have nothing to reward you. Don't give up. Even life even when even when moments are hard, you have to push it. You, you have to be dedicated. You have to push everything in your heart in your life. You have to push everything up. Yes. It's gonna play now. I'm saying up motivational speeches. Get out of here. I need to put on do not disturb mode. But I don't got the time to put on disturb mode. Do not disturb mode, yeah. Yes. I'm near to where I died earlier. I think this is where I died, yeah? No. Right here, I think so. Yeah, this one. This is where I died. Oh. She barely remember this. Oh goddamn! I forgot this thing. What the hell is this thing? Oh, yellow area. Can push these boxes. I'm gonna supposed to do this. Oh, okay. Oh, this area was so hard. Like actually, this area was so hard. I played test for a bit, so I cannot clip farm. Clip farm means up, falling up on purpose just to get some views on YouTube. Yes, come on. I don't wanna get clip farm. I don't wanna be clip farmer. I haven't reached this area yet. I don't remember this. So the box will spawn there, right? Yeah. I actually reached this spot, but not over this spot. Oh, it's all over. Oh my gosh! Tapos na ba drop it? Bam, bam. Oh! Have to go back. Can't push it anymore. How did I do that? Like seriously, how did I do that? Oh, push. Yes. Push! Yes! No! I'm clip farming. I'm clip farming. I'm just clip farming. I'm on accident. I'm just clip farming on accident. I might clip myself. I might clip myself. Oh, God. I fell down the yellow area. Or orange. I haven't seen the color for 30 seconds for now. Oh, it's actually yellow. Oh, ano. Shh. Oh, this is... No way! No! No. I have to do this all over again. I have to do this all over again. What? No! Oh my gosh. Steady but surely. Wrong, wrong, wrong path. I need to be quiet. I need to focus on the game. Yes! Yellow part. No, this is orange. I'm blind. I'm at the orange spot now. I'm back at the. Oh, I just. Oh. Don't tell me the cube that I'm. Don't tell me the cube that is corrupt doesn't despawn. I think it doesn't despawn. It doesn't. It doesn't despawn. Oh my gosh. I need to find a way to make it. You know. I just hope. I just hope. Oh, I just hope that I can make another cube. I just want to press the button again and get another cube. Or is it just spawn the cube and yes, it spawns another one. Have to do this the hard way, not the super easy, the super duper easy way. That's impossible. Uy, boom, got it. The super duper easy way is basically impossible. But hard the oh stop. Oh stop talking now. Chill, 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 chill. Calm, calm down. Take a deep breath. Take a goddamn deep breath. You can do this. You can do this. You can do this. Yes. It's open now. I'm at this place now. I haven't gone to this place. God damn! It takes so hard to push this cube. Geometry dash. What? Have to use three fingers. Not the usual two. Oh God! Damn. Do not attempt to ride the ball. But I need the. I need. Oh, just need the walk. Go! Yes! Oh! Yes! Be careful. I know it's a stud thing. Oh, let's go. To continue, get three buttons. The outside is safe. Three buttons. I don't wanna go there. I don't wanna go there. I don't wanna go there. Oh, they are so smart. I thought I can just click it and go. Let's do this. Yes. Yeah, see, I'm that super duper thinking one. Yes. Yes. The do all of this will be on this point. Okay, good. That's three buttons, right? Wait, no, only two, right? Only two. Oh, don't tell me. Don't goddamn tell me. What? What am I supposed to do? Click this. Oh. Oh, goddamn! Woo! Click, 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 click. Come on. Get it? No, I didn't get it. I feel like this is safe. Oh yeah, I don't want to go there. I haven't gone to this part like ever. Jump. Because I know that skill bricks. Yes. Ooh. Okay, that's damage bricks. It will kill you, but slowly. If your bridge isn't here, you hit you hit jump down to restart. So this. Oh, thank God it. Let's go. W. Yep. So these white things are safe. This. I don't know what it is. What does it say? You hit a deactivator. What does it do? What does it do? Is there a chance to get a actual spawner, not a deactivator? But where's the bridge though? What am I supposed to do? Do I have to pick the white thing? I think so. Oh, or the tower buttons is just basically bugged. Or maybe this is not the route. Maybe this is not the route. No, this is the route. What am I supposed to do? What? How? How? Or maybe this is an deactivator. Or maybe I need to go back to here. Maybe I need to go back here. By clicking, I need to investigate for a bit. And not just look at the and not just only look at the button. If you only look at the button, you don't see where are you going. Click it. Yeah, clicked it. Wait. Have to go back? I think so. Yeah, I think so. If the bridge isn't if the bridge isn't here, if the bridge isn't here, I'm losing my mind. If the bridge isn't here, I'm losing my mind. Jump down. Let's see. I I just already did it. Just didn't know. Just didn't know. Let's go. There's if I fall down, I'm just gonna go back to the black area. Okay. If I fall down, I'm unlucky. Oh, pink area again. What the hell? Green now. Now it's in the green. What's this? What? Am I supposed to hit something? What's this? Oh, dark green now. I'm passing so many stages. Huh? Oh. Oh no, not the sting again. Not the sting again. Ow. Why the damage bricks? Why are the damage bricks still here? Ooh! Oh my gosh. Oh, not the sting again. Yes. Ooh. Eee! Am I supposed to do something? Oh. Done. Oh. Ayun. Let's should have looked around. Oh, got the ow. Should have looked around for a bit. So what? Pick no. So not that. But this. Glad it doesn't kill me though. If I pick the wrong option. Oh, oh. Oh, dark purple. Or just normal purple. I got my brightness to 0. No, 50. No, halfway. Huh? 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 What? It disappeared. It literally disappeared. Oh. It's 23 minutes now. It's about to hit an hour. Oh. Huh? Huh? What? Oh, there's a new spot now here. It's turning. Ah, okay. Why am I always pressing the buttons here? Oh, thank God I'm not the spinning things. Thank God I just fell down for a bit. Yes, I know. I know not all buttons are good. I know not all buttons are good. I'm not gonna press you too. There, I'm back here again. That's how good I am. Ooh, almost fell down. Swear I died. So this thing has a timer, so it's good. What? 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 To do this quickly. There. That was easy. For another timer thing. Oh, I hate you button. I hate you button. It turns. Just a few, just a, a bit more jump. A few more jumps and I'm at the red stage. AKA the last stage. I'm about to beat it. I'm about to beat it. I will not beat it because there's so goddamn more buttons. I mean, it's called the Tower of Buttons. Of course, there's so many buttons. Jeez, I'm at the red. I'm at the red button now. I'm at the red stage. If I fall down, it's good. I'm just gonna go back and try to, you know. What else this? Ooh, ooh, ooh. There. Oh god damn. What's this? Oh, it's a Activir, but you know, it has a timer. So it's basically the timer button. Because the regular button. It's okay, it's okay. You come back, you come back. You can come back. I fell down. I fell down while I was not that far though. You can come back and do better. I really, I should really stop talking now. I'm gonna stop talking. I'm gonna stop talking because earlier I didn't talk and I went to the and I was finally in the part in the is it the, the black stage I think. I don't remember the call. Yeah, anyway, shut up now. And playing this Ito game makes me toxic. But I'm not gonna be toxic on this actual platform on YouTube or maybe because I'm gonna terminate it. But I'm just gonna shut up now. I said I will be shutting up. But then blue area baby. It's 29 minutes now. It's about to hit 30. Well, well, speed doesn't matter though. You have to be slow and steady. Oh, I need a to do this quick. I'm at 17%. What? Come back here, bro. Come back here, boy. Come here. Come here. That's 30 minutes long. You guys would never watch this. It's too long. Oh, ow, ow. I have to avoid this thing at the middle too. Have the president have the president already go at the sides. But oh, I didn't know. I guess game. Oh, holy mother of God! Oh, no, no way! Just press. Holy mother of Christ! Holy mother of Christ! I'm that stupid. Oh yes. Ah! 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 That hurts. Oh! Oh! Heal. Now I'm at low health. Now I'm at now yeah, I can't even say a single word. Orange. Oh yes, it's a normal button now. Another normal button. Oh, okay, what am I supposed to do? What? What? Yo, what am I supposed to do? Oh, go here. Go here. Oi! What a great ending! I'm about to beat Tower of Buttons. I'm about to beat Tower of Buttons, guys. I'm about to beat Tower of Buttons. I'm about to beat the Tower of Buttons, guys. I really appreciate this. And if you guys watch this until this part, I appreciate you. I really appreciate you for watching until the end. Oh, okay. Oh! How is this possible? I'm stuck. I'm stuck. I'm not stuck. It's right there. Wait, no, I am stuck. I am stuck. Oh, Holy Mother of Christ! Oh, thank God. Just don't fall. Don't fall! Oh, thank God. Hmm? Oh, so you use this too? Check. Check mark. No check mark. Oh, meaning it has the it finished now. God, then 15% of the dose quickly. I need to post this very quickly. To post this goddamn quickly. To post this really quickly. What am I supposed to do? Oh wow. So go here. Wait, what? How am I supposed to do it? Oh, I have to jump. To jump over. I'm playing Ito right now because I've been playing a lot of I've been watching a lot of Bandan videos. So I decided to play Eternal Thousand Flame. Yeah, that's basically the game. Eternal Thousand Flame. What? What am I? Oh, yuck. Di pa. Check? Oh, yes. Check means okay. Check means okay. So I have to do this way. Oh, thank God. So I'm finished. I'm finished. Um, so I'm finished here. Fish there, and there. I'm not finished here. Hindi pa. Wala ko naninig ng musura. Okay. What? What? Do I need to push this? Gonna do that. It distract me. It distract me. Wani. Go box! Go! Box! Go! God damn, the brightness. Brightness is going down. Oh, it's checked. It's checked. It's checked. Can I finally go here, I think? Wait, no, I need one more. One more button. Then finish this one, right? Then finish this one. You finish with that. I'm not finished with this though. I'm not familiar that I did this. Oh no, I touch a deactivator. I touch a deactivator. So have to be careful. This is a deactivator here. Ooh, that's super close to me. You're the bad guy. You're the bad guy. Oh, goddamn! Why is there so many dominators? You know, deactivators. No, oh. Come on. Yes. Ooh, yes. Oh, I hate you. Oh god, I hate you. I hate you. I hate that button for life. Let's let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Ooh. Be careful, that's a hole. I'm so close. I'm so close. I'm so close. I'm super close. Oh no! Honestly, it's just a staircase. Oh, it's telling what all of the stages I went through.
No, boss.
Let's go.
And